everyone. Hello my dear viewers. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for watching my videos. And this video will be short, I promise. But I'm gonna share with you a secret of beauty weapon. Actually not creams, not anything that you put on your face, but whatever you put in your ears. So it's also a beauty that change your look. Anyway, my friend cannot wear any type of earrings. She prefers only stud earrings like this one. I never made it before because I was busy with other type of earrings, and then she said, can you make for me a couple earrings, stud earrings, but beautiful one and nice and bright, like colorful and not expensive one. I said I can try, and actually I did it. So I found some interesting material and I really like it, and I'm gonna show you and teach you how to do it. It's so simple. So what do you need? First of all, you need this type of charms, or we call it cabochons, and there are different type. And I found this one. It's not expensive one, but they're different color, and you can see they're flat on the back. They're flat on the back, and as I said, I found different colors, not expensive. And I like them very much because I was thinking I can use for some other project. I can use for other type of jewelry I would like to make. And I have a granddaughter that likes jewelry. She's a little one, but she likes like everything sparkling, like, you know, little kids. Then I found this beautiful, beautiful, different colors, beautiful heart shape. As you can see, there's a lot of material. You can use whatever you like that has some like flat surface. You can make with paper, but again, this is plastic and a very nice colors. So what I did, what you need, just like, you know, this type of with flat surface like beads, let's say this way. And then you need this earring post with specs, or we call it pad earring, stud earring, and like this one. They're different colors, whatever you like. They're not expensive. Like this all set cost around $9 Canadian. I use this one, as I said, cabochons, and then I use a glue. I use a very good glue, adhesive glue. I showed this glue in some other videos. I prefer this one because it dries fast. It's a really good one, and it doesn't leave any like spots. Like if you look here, you cannot see any glue, which is amazing, you know, because it dries and become clear. Like I try to show you this way. It's reflection, so there is no glue, and it holds all elements very nice. So you put a little bit of glue in the middle, and then you put the stud, like, you know, you just glue it. So you glue it like this, and you leave it to dry for a couple minutes. Usually it's 5-10 minutes and it's dry, or you can leave for longer time, and then it's done. So you have a very simple but beautiful earrings. And I found also this type of I even don't know how to say, some elements for probably like charms, for bracelets, for some decoration. And I decided to make this type of earrings, but they were without hole. They were like this, and I show you like this. And what I did, first of all, I covered with Mod Podge to make it more presentable, because some of them are not looking nice. Usually you have to glue them. So if you cover with something like sparkling or whatever, with some varnish or some other like Mod Podge, for example, then actually it's a little bit even better. It looks much better. So this one has no hole. So I made a hole here. And I found very similar color, like small one. Actually, from this one you can make just like very simple stud earrings. Probably I will make from this one as well. But what I did, I combined colors. I made little holes, and then I glue I glue the studs, right? So I have green one, I have beautiful pink one. It looks like set because, you know, I combine the same colors. I have purple one, which is amazing, you know, really nice. And I have like this one, it's a little bit different, it's more blue. This is like peacock color, and this is like blue color. I spent probably 15 minutes to create this amount of earrings. But look at the result, you know, they're so beautiful, they're cute. Especially if you use this one with changes the colors. And children love this type of earrings. It's like, reminds them mermaid, right? And they love mermaids, especially girls. And I showed this to my friend and I said, look, I made a couple, which one you like? And she was like, just stuck. She said, wow, I love all of them. And I said, you can have all of them, you know. It's a not expensive material, but the result is amazing. The result I really love. I'm going to wear myself this type of earrings, you know, and they change the color during sunlight or in the evening. And I still have some material here. So I'm going to make more, you know. So this is the secret. So simple, so simple. So follow my advices and try to copy what I'm doing. And I'm sure you will get very beautiful earrings for your friends, for your children, grandchildren, even for sale, because it's very presentable and nice looking. You know, you can sell these earrings for good price. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave comments and bring your friends and family members to my channel. And I'll show you more videos. Bye-bye.